ImpulseNotion presents. Hi everyone, here is part 1 of our 3-part video series, 15 tips about commercial dog foods. So many dog food brands and varieties. You're overwhelmed and you don't know how to get started on choosing one. Ignore labels and fancy marketing. Just follow the most important rule of thumb. Check the ingredients. First tip. Ingredients are listed by weight. Pet food manufacturers are required to do so. The ingredients at the top of the list carry the most weight. However, all the ingredients are important. So don't ignore the other ingredients on the list, just because the top ones look good. Tip number 2. Look for foods with a named animal protein as the first ingredient. The first ingredient is the primary ingredient in the recipe. You want a named animal protein such as chicken, beef, lamb, etc. Unnamed animal protein are low-quality protein sources of suspect origin. Beware of ingredients listed as meat, meat meal, animal digest, and animal byproducts. The more precise the meat ingredients the better. Tip number 3. For a quick quality check, look at the first 5 ingredients. Since ingredients are listed by weight, you want to see a lot of top-quality animal protein at the top of the list. Look for 2 to 3 animal proteins in the first 5 ingredients. This will enable you to quickly rule out low-quality dog foods. Animal proteins can also include fish, eggs, and other animal-based proteins. Tip 4. For a more thorough check, look for the first named source of fat in the ingredient list. All ingredients up to, and including the fat, make up the main portion of the food. Look for a named fat source such as chicken fat. Animal fat is generic and can be any fat of animal origin, even suspect origin, such as restaurant grease or roadkill fat. Tip number 5. Beware of ingredient splitting. This is why looking at all the ingredients is worthwhile. Since ingredients are required to be listed by weight, pet foods may deceptively break up fillers so that each part weighs less. This workaround enables manufacturers to list the protein as the first ingredient, and the fillers below it, giving the impression that the food is better quality than it actually is. If you see corn, wheat, soy, or other fillers listed multiple times in different forms, that means the manufacturer split up the ingredient. In these cases, the filler actually makes up more of the food than the protein. Take for example this ingredient list. Chicken meal, ground whole wheat, ground yellow corn, wheat flour, corn gluten meal, rice bran, chicken fat. Notice how the wheat and corn ingredients have been split up. This means they broke them up into 2 parts so that each part weighs less, and can be listed lower in the ingredients. Had they not been split up, the ingredients would look like this: wheat, corn, chicken meal, rice bran, chicken fat. Notice how the protein chicken meal moves from first place to third place. Now the dog food doesn't look as high quality and doesn't pass the first ingredient protein test. For more info, please see the links in the description. Next week, part 2 of the video series 15 tips about commercial dog foods. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. You are awesome. Check out these other great videos on our channel. We also sell cute and useful pet supplies in our Amazon store at amazon.com/shops/ImpulseNotion.